Today we celebrate the principles on which our nation was built upon. It's National Constitution Day.
Ring the bell.
And in Elizabethton, Westside Elementary School held a ringing of the bell ceremony to mark Constitution Day. The ceremony also celebrated a very special moment for the school. When Westside opened in 1929, they would start each day by ringing that bell. But it was left behind when the school moved in 1948 from Orchard Road to Berge Street. But now 90 years later, the bell has been restored and moved to Westside's front doors, where every day a fifth grader will ring that bell to start the day.
History is so important, and for children, being able to know about the history of their school is most important.
Now, the woman at Peters, who was one of the key people in helping to get the bell moved back to the school, Elizabethton High School students, along with the original manufacturing company, also helped in that restoration process. How neat was that?